Alright, so trapezoids and kites is what we're talking about today. So first off, let's just name the shape. This is a regular trapezoid up here. Okay, this one right here is an isosceles trapezoid. Okay, and this right here is a kite. Okay, now kites, I do have to mark them. Kites have a pair of consecutive congruent sides. Whoa, let's get through there. There we go. Okay, and there's some cool things about them that you can actually use. Okay, so now trapezoid just is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. There's nothing special to be said about the diagonals inside of a trapezoid, so that's nothing really big or new. Okay, now however, the diagonals inside of a isosceles trapezoid, they are actually congruent, but they do not bisect each other. So that's the important difference. If you're thinking, oh wait, that was like a rectangle, kind of, but not the same case here. Okay. All right. Now a kite, these diagonals do not bisect. Well, one of them does bisect the other, but the other one doesn't always necessarily get bisected. Okay. So in a kite, these two are going to be cut in half, and plus also it cuts it at a 90-degree angle. So that's the gorgeous thing about a kite. Alright, now the area of a kite is going to be 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And diagonal 1 is usually one of the lengths, and diagonal 2 is going to be the entire length of the other side as well. So all you have to do is multiply those two, multiply by half, and you have the area of a kite. Okay, now an isosceles trapezoid or regular trapezoid, you're just going to treat their area formulas a little bit different. Okay, now the area of a trapezoid is going to be 1/2 times the height, and the height is obviously going to be this right here. So this is height. Ugh, that is an ugly H. I don't know why I keep attempting to write out the H's when I know they're going to be bad. Okay, and the bases don't matter. You could call this one base 1, this one base 2. It's totally up to you, okay? But I do not need this slanted height right here. Do not give me that, because you're going to need this formula for the area that you need the base and the height, okay? Now, interesting fact, if I were to find the length of the mid-segment of a base, so the mid-segment, got to learn how to spell it, it's going to be, if you take base 1 plus base 2 and then you divide that by 2, it's actually the average of the two numbers. It's weird how it works, but it always works out that way. I don't know why. It just, well, I do know why, but it's a little bit hard to explain in just this less than 15 minutes I have, okay? Alright, but that's it for trapezoids and kites. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.